What is up, YouTubers, gamers, and musicians, and welcome to another video. Welcome back to another video. And today we will be playing the song Ain't No Love in Oklahoma by Luke Combs from the movie Twisters. Now, I've been playing the song a lot, but we are going to be doing the beginning of it. Not the ending, not the solo. We'll get to that in another video. As always, the tabs will be right here if you guys want to follow along. But here we go. First of all, okay, then we're going to go to the D string. You want to start with that. No distortion. And we'll be moving down to a string A, fret 3. So, okay, on the same string, we're going to be going on fret 1. We'll go back to 3. Okay, after that, we'll be going. We will be going back to. We'll be going back to string number D, and then we will be going to. No, okay, this is how the order. 1, 3, to D, to G. Never mind. No fret 1. I don't know what I was thinking, but the beginning so far we already have. That's what we have so far. Okay, then we're gonna open. So no tabs. So no frets right now. There'll be so an open G. So. Okay, yeah. So then we're gonna be going back down to string number A. We'll be playing fret number 3, then 1. No, sorry. We'll be going back to string D. I'm sorry. Okay, we'll be 1, 3. So together it would be like. Okay, then we're going to go back. So we're on the same string. We're going to go from 1, go down in string to string D. No, string A. 3, 1, 3. String D. 1. String E. No, string A. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but. Then string number. So the same string when we go next to number 1. So altogether it should sound like this. I'll do it again. Yeah. Guys, please. This will be with my buddy Simon, aka The Gamer. His channel will be collabing with this. And guys, please subscribe, because I will do guitar tutorials every day, along with some other stuff, random stuff. See you guys in the next video.